Little Monkey loved playing tricks and making funny faces. All the animals in the jungle knew him as the silliest of them all. But one day he decided to take his silliness to the next level. He grabbed a handful of berries and smeared them all over his face. Then he went up to a sleeping rhino and shouted, "Gotcha!" The rhino woke up with a start and shook his head, sending Little Monkey tumbling down to the ground. Little Monkey giggled at this and thought to himself, "Being silly is so much fun." But then an idea struck him like a bolt of lightning. He would paint the whole jungle bright colors and make all the trees look like rainbows. So off he went, painting everything he could reach. He painted stripes on the zebras, polka dots on the giraffes, and even gave the elephants bright pink tusks. By the time he was finished, the whole jungle looked like a giant art project. Little Monkey was so proud of himself. He couldn't wait to show the other animals what he had done. But when they woke up, their reactions weren't what he expected. Some were laughing and some were just plain confused. Little Monkey was confused too. He didn't understand why everyone wasn't as excited as he was. Then he saw his friend, Parrot, and asked her, "Don't you think I'm the silliest monkey in the jungle?" Parrot was perched on a tree branch, shaking her head. She said, "You're not being silly, Little Monkey. You are being a little monster." Little Monkey's face fell. He didn't want to be a monster. He just wanted to have some fun. But when he looked around, he realized that he had made a big mess. Some of his friends were upset and others were too scared to come out of their houses. He felt bad for making them feel unsafe. Little Monkey knew he had to do something to fix the mess he had made. So he started to clean up, taking the bright colors off the trees and putting the animals back to their original spots. At first, it seemed like a never-ending task, but soon enough, all the animals came out of their houses to see what he was doing. They too wanted to help clean up the jungle. As they worked together, Little Monkey apologized to each of his friends, promising it would never happen again. And you know what? They all laughed. It was true. Little Monkey was the silliest monkey in the jungle. But now he was also the bravest and most responsible little monkey too. And that's why, my friends, we should always be careful of our actions, no matter how silly they may seem. If we hurt someone's feelings or make a mess, we should always do our best to fix it. Now, who wants to hear another story about Little Monkey? Oh, you do? Well, then click here and let's read together.